Good morning! Naready ko lang yung ating ingredients guys kasi magluto ko ng fried rice, bacon fried rice. Andito na yung ating ingredients na hiwa ko na. And more magic syrup, salt and pepper. Pepper. Okay. Are you sure just a pepper?
Yeah.
So it's all enough now? Is it cooked now, the vegetables as well? Love?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna put our last ingredients. Onion rings. Are you gonna eat now?
No.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Yummy. Wow. Another. What?
Another hit.
Huh?
Another yummy food.
Another yummy food. Pero nga lamang dong. Atik dong.
You're the best chef.
The best?
The best.
Banto lagi. Yan na guys, tinawagan na tayo ni Mother kasi hindi ako alis sana ngayon. Tinawagan man niya ako na gusto niya ako pasamahin. Dali tayo pag-ilis kayo. Ano tayo make up. Ano na, malapit na 10 o'clock. Kailangan doon na ako 10 past 10. My God! Hindi pa naman ako nakapag-ayos guys. Ayos muna tayo. Ito guys, hindi tayo medyo mataba tingnan. Dahil masyado yata malamig kasi may suga. So, maganito lang tayo. Binalik ko lang kasi wala pang amoy. Tsaka may baon akong tubig kasi boiled, ginoon ko boiled water to guys. Sabi ni Sean, buy a bottle of water. Sabi niya, lagi niya ako sinasabihan, buy a bottle of water. Pero, alam mo guys, medyo nag-ano tayo. Gusto ko makatipid, diba? Why not? Kung meron na yung tubig dito, tsaka sim lang naman siguro. Mas buti ito kasi inano ko, pinasubo ba. Tsaka may kunting ano to, may kunting lemon. So, let's go! Kasi nagantay na yung dalawa kong katandim. Hi guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Tesco kasi hinihintay ko si Mr. Nag-crib kasi ako ng lechon, yung ano ba, yung belly kasi wala yung lechon dito, so yung pork belly. And then sabi niya, may ganamit yung Tesco na lang kasi it's Friday today, hindi di siya mag-work. Ano na siya, nakita ko na. Hindi na tayo ka-meet up. Hi. I don't see you.
Madam?
Andito na sa Musta. Sexy. Ihida mo na siya. Tapos na kami nakabili ng cravings ni Sean. Is it your cravings?
Your cravings.
Thank you.
Yeah. You think you're in the Philippines, don't you?
Yes, I was going to the driver seat here. every time I go to the car.
Seatbelt.
I am having a seatbelt now. It's you not.
Alright.
Alright, kiss me.
So you enjoyed your day out today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was good with mom and dad. We're enjoying watching the ducks. They're swimming.
Or in the cafe?
We sit there next to the window. We sit there already twice when we went last time and today.
Yeah.
They enjoy the view. We
Yeah,
enjoy
it's a
the
nice
view.
view, isn't it?
Yeah. And then after shopping, we need to, like rush. Go on the bus. We're gonna next. The bus is, like that. So that is always checking the next bus. So we're here. Dito na kami, guys. Andito na naman tayo sa maingay naming lutuan, guys. Kasi yan yung naghigop ng aso. Nilapuan ko na yung ating pork belly. Kasi, hindi naman ito pork belly. Yung parang sa part ng maraming unod siya. Ginano ko na lang kinakato. Pero at least, magaluto tayo ng crunchy skin today for cravings. Sana hindi maging papa kasi my mister is a professional. I'm gonna put onion lobs there and
What is your onion?
not yet.
What do you mean not yet? Come on! You should have it all prepped for the chef.
This one's
You having ginger?
no.
No?
No, I put already ginger and I'm boiling it.
Alright. Garlic?
No,
No?
just onion.
Just onion? Sorry guys, I give you a headache.
Put it here. Wait, I'm gonna put some more pepper. But it's already tasty, but try it. Yeah? I think so. Wait a minute. Masarap naman siya. Uy, hindi na kailangan ng Ayan na. Nilagyan natin dyan sa onion, guys. Kasi dito na naglapto ako. Ang dami ko nang nilagay. So, templado na siya. Nito, kuan na lang. First time namin to magluto ng pork belly. Ang magagawa tayo ng sauce. Ito yung gagamitin ko. Ayan atong sauce. Ready na. Sarap niya. Ready na. Pero yung ating kuan hindi ko. Yung aking na bang rice. Kaya sobrang liit lang ang aking rice. Ganito lang. Hindi na magluto kasi late na. Session ayaw man mag-rice. Ating sauce. Ayusin mo yan, ha? You're doing good, love. You're the best. Why you need to put oil?
So it won't dry out.
Oh, dry. Ah, okay.
And it'll go a bit crispy. It'll go crispy.
Do you need to? I think they need to put a hole on it. No?
Not going good. Good job, Simon. I'm sorry, buddy.
I thought you're chilling when you're doing it.
Pardon?
I thought you're chilling.
I was.
Ito pala yung binigay sa akin ni Mother kanina, guys. Oh. Tuna salad. Lagi kaming binibigyan ng mga ganyan-ganyan. Because I'm a fish lover.
Salt on your pork.
Salt? I already put it. Just a little because it's already tasty. I don't want it going salty. So you're helping cooking with me.
Watch when it burns.
You'd better not burn it.
Now you got pork. Oh my god.
So I'm gonna slice it.
When you gonna eat all? When you
My
gonna
husband
eat all
is
this?
bubbling.
When you gonna eat all this food you keep?
I'm just gonna slice it and then I'm gonna put in the plastic.
And she eats all the walkers.
Look who's eating now. Nangalamang kadugay. Oy.
Come on, you know you want one.
No. 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 Sabi nga, ang tawahan mo. Lugay ang kagutom mo. What time is it here? It's 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock now. Ito clock na wala pa kami. Ay, kasi makinig. Yan, potato na nilagay. Ewan ko kung luto ba ito It's cooked, my love. Sweet.
Is that nice?
Time check, 9 p.m. Super late na yung aming kuan. Hapunan. Oh, crunchy here. Here is crunchy. Na here. Okay lang. At least meron tayong crunchy food. Crunchy dito. Dito hindi. Medyo hindi pa lang marunong magluto ng. I'm gonna try the skin. Yung ating skin. Crunchy pala siya.
Ooh, it's hot.
Closer.
Crunchy.
Yeah, this sauce. Put in the sauce. It's like we're having lechon now. Ang kanya rin. Pero pala. Akala ko hindi crunchy. I thought it's not crunchy, love.
Pardon?
I thought it's not crunchy.
I know you did.
Sarap pala. Kain muna kami guys. Bye bye.